Matt Beadle, who will be our moderator the next 2 days.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to one of the craziest things that you can do with one finger in 12 minutes. This is Cash Show, everybody, and my name is Matt Beadle. Promised for a shout out last week, and I forgot. Shame on me. You are very welcome, as is everyone else. I think that's about it. Was that quick enough? Let's go. This is Cash Show. Oh, I have to log in. And the new version of the federal living conditions, salary.
And in first place, and the European champions 2019, Hartlepool Hawks,
International. Where are you from? China. China. Still getting there? We seem to be missing a table. Switzerland is missing. The whole country. Dos minutos? Or what are you showing me? Peace? What's happened in your lives since then? You missed? Ah, that's sweet. A little bit strange, but sweet. Thank you.
the next performance comes from the United Kingdom. Back in the United Kingdom, watching live, Laura Howard. This is her gorgeous sister Eddie Meg. Happy birthday. We've got some friends here who want to shout something for them.
Lisa's was the better one. Why was that the better one for you? I like Lisa, he said. This is not a dating exercise, man. This is not Tinder. It's not which breakup room do I swipe left and which do I swipe right. Lisa, you have a fan at least. Or a stalker, I'm not sure which.
Show them around, take a look at other people's pictures here. Is your tree on fire? What's happening here? It's sorry, what? Oh, look at it, the Christmas tree, look. She's already thinking of Christmas. There you are. Oh dear, this is Sven, this is quite tragic. Sven's tree is dead. Sven, is that your mood this morning? Are you feeling dead? And I hope for 2 days you guys have got some similar thoughts in your head. I'd like to leave tomorrow afternoon with a couple of new ideas in my head. All to keep the quality as high as possible for the student, and I'm sure that's in all of our interests. Okay, I think that's about it regarding student appeal.
Are you in charge of this? Can I sit on this? And I realised that you used to stand and sit and stand and sit and lean over. It's quite a physical experience being a dental surgeon. Sebastian, ergonomics, comfort, the situation, the experience for both the patient and the doctor. Have you got a book? Catch that? Catch this.
Herzlich willkommen zu diesem Video. Mein Name ist Matt und ich wollte das Video heute drehen, um euch so eine Möglichkeit zu geben, zu hören, wie ich in der deutschen Sprache klinge und vor allem so einen Eindruck zu gewinnen, wie ich in der deutschen Sprache so wirke. Alles Gute. Ciao.